Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Purple color, yellow color, red color, dark green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, dark blue color, black color, violet color. Today we'll learn some numbers and alphabets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 A for aeroplane. B for blueberry. C for cucumber. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fruits. G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kiwi. L for lion. M for mango. N for nurse. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. S for strawberry. T for train. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yam. Z for zero. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, dark green color, red color, violet color, black color, orange color, purple color, light green color. Let's learn some fruits. Strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry. Red color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red. Light green color. Yellow color. Banana. Banana is yellow. Brown color. Red color. Apple. Apple is red. Brown color. Dark green color. Violet color. Grapes. Dark green color. Light green color. Red color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red. Light green color. Dark green color. Red color. Cherry. Cherry is red. Light green color. Brown color. Dark green color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red. Banana. Banana is yellow. Apple. Apple is red. Grapes. Grapes is violet color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red color. Cherry. Cherry is red color. Strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.